Hello children, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about vegetables names. So let's start the video. Carrot, carrot. Capsicum, capsicum. Brinjal, brinjal. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Potato, potato. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Lemon, lemon. Beans, beans. Broccoli, broccoli. Parsnip, parsnip. Tomato, tomato. Peas, peas. Cabbage, cabbage. Onion, onion. Ginger, ginger. Beetroot, beetroot. Garlic, garlic. Turnip, turnip. Radish, radish. Mushroom, mushroom. Cassava, cassava. Coriander leaves, coriander leaves. Thai eggplant, Thai eggplant.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Hi my dear kids, today we are going to learn season names. Let's learn. Come on. Winter season, winter season. Spring season, spring season. Summer season, summer season. Autumn season, autumn season. Summer, winter, spring, rainy. Summer, winter, spring, rainy. Winter, December, January, February. Summer, June, July, August. Spring, March, April, May. Autumn, November, December. winter season, spring season, summer season, autumn season,